Alright, we keep on working on this beautiful painting, and we are going to start by adding colors right now by working on the bird. And please feel free to make your own color choice. You don't really need to color the colibri exactly the same as I do. If you want to, go ahead. If not, I want to recommend you to try another colors as well and to make this your very own creation by adding the colors you like. Okay, feel free to let your fantasy fly away with you and to make this even more interesting. Okay, and here you will see what I have done using only Sharpie markers. Okay, this is what I can do with them. I don't have all colors from Sharpies. I only have this set I have shown you before, and so I am trying to do the best out of it. This is my best I can do, and these colors are very bold, very strong colors. So I want to recommend you to try them before on a piece of paper before you start adding this on your painting if you are not sure about the color of it, because this doesn't really looks exactly the same as the color shown on the cap or on the marker itself. As you can see, this is another kind of green, not exactly the same green you can see on the marker. So please try to work with them before you use them on your doll, so you can know exactly the color of your markers. And yes, as you know, this is an extra video I have made for you, and I recommend you to take a look at it to see how I work with the markers first before you start working on it. And yes, just turn off the sound, the voice, so you don't hear anything, and look the way this works. And after that, you can try this by yourself, and you can, of course, as I said before, use another pail of colors and make this your very own. All right, I work most of the time this way. I add first block of colors. I add the color first, then I start adding details by working with black or white markers. And for example, the white acrylic markers from Molotov, they are very good. Or Posca in the USA, you can find this brand as well, and they are great for adding highlights, but please use them at the very end of your painting. Okay, and yes, keep on working on this, have fun. Take it easy, step by step. Don't worry about anything. It's all about having fun, okay? And yes, thank you for being here with me again. And I hope you did enjoy it, this workshop, this Sharpie markers workshop. And as you can see, we don't really need very expensive markers. If we want to do beautiful art, we can do this as well using cheap markers like the Sharpie markers. It's all about having fun and practice and practice as much as you can. The more you practice, the better you will get. And this is something I do recommend you to do. Try to make art every day. Try to make art and try to love it the way I do, and you will see, if you do something with love, you are going to make beautiful things, because love is beautiful. Alright, I stop talking now. I say again, thank you very much. Enjoy the process, and see you on the next workshop. Bye bye.